Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to convert a dictionary to a string using comprehension method. So let's start the tutorial. The command is enter. And notice here the final output, this is a dictionary. These are the dictionary variables. I converted this dictionary into a string. See, this is a string after converting dictionary to string.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is the Python-tutorials. And here our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder, I will create one new Python file called convert dictionary to string.py, and here we got the newly created Python file is opened. Now my aim is convert a dictionary to a string using comprehension. So dictionary 1 is equals to, let's create a dictionary here first, Charan colon 1 comma Jack colon 2, Peter colon 3, Rajesh colon 4. Now this is a dictionary. Let's print the dictionary first. The dictionary is dictionary 1. Then I want to check the type of the variable, type dictionary 1. After that, now it's time to convert this dictionary to a string using comprehension method. So first let's declare one variable dictionary underscore string is equals to between square brackets. Here I am adding the comprehension method. Dictionary contains keys and values. Now, so first let's add the key value for key comma value in dictionary 1 dot items. That's it. Now here the main trick is to convert this dictionary. We need to typecast this string, then print after converting dictionary to string I want to print the output in the new line dictionary underscore string, and also I want to check the type of the variable, which is a dictionary underscore string. Now let's save this file, save all. We'll check the output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check. Command is py, convert dictionary to string.py, enter. And notice here, oops, here I got an error. This is items method. Sorry for that. Now let's save this file, save all. We'll check the output. Let's clear this one. Enter, and here we got the output. This is a dictionary after and the type is a dictionary, and notice here the dictionary is converted into a string, which is a class string. It's showing it's converted already, but the problem here is we got the square brackets and brackets here, so we'll remove those brackets. Here the dictionary string dot, and string method contains a replace function is there. So in this replace function, wherever the square brackets, I want to make this empty, then replace closing square bracket, also make it empty space, then replace now normal parenthesis, empty space, dot replace comma. That's it. Just wherever the square brackets and parentheses are there, I am replacing with empty strings. That's it. Now let's save this file. Save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Let's check the final output of our application. Let's clear this one first. The command is enter. And notice here the final output, this is a dictionary. These are the dictionary variables. I converted this dictionary into a string. See, this is a string after converting dictionary to string. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to convert a dictionary values, dictionary items into a string. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.